How are we there, folks?
Today we are camping at Robbies Falls, located in the southwestern forests of Tasmania. We're going to be bushwalking and finding a place to camp for the night, as well as exploring the waterfall, flying our drone around, cooking delicious campfire food, as well as getting back in touch with nature and enjoying our time outside and in the wilderness. So let's get cracked onto it.
Today we're heading to Robbies Falls, another little waterhole area with a waterfall off the old Google Maps and everything. I would say off the beaten trail, but there's definitely a trail to there. It's out southwest of Huonville, and we're going for another camping mission. Walk around a chair through the bush. Last time my back got real sore from sitting on the ground. Nice and comfy on this mission. Oh, my heart leapt into my throat. Oh, damn. Little slip there. Woo. Time to be careful. We're just taking baby steps back up this log. Oh, ooh. That would have been an interesting start to the mission. Taking a complete spill into the drink, no towel. Wood's all wet, so it's probably going to be quite tricky to get a fire going. I believe all these are different variations of turkey tail. They sure do look like a turkey tail. Some species are said to have anti-cancer properties, which are pretty groovy. A couple more big ones here. Like a nice little spot to take a bit of a spell. Oh. Just got a little banana as a snack. Might have to bring a hand reel and lure next time come here. I'm fairly sure there's fish in this river. You probably wouldn't get salmon or trevally in here. Don't even know if we have turbot in Tasmania, but I say that like I know what fish that actually is. We better keep marching on down the track a bit more, try and find ourselves a decently flat, soft spot to pitch our tent. Now, if we can find something like this, got a massive down dead tree here, and underneath it all gets hollowed out by creatures, and just as it ages, all the stuff that's left underneath on the ground is all very dry and crumbly. And this stuff is definitely what you need to get your fire going. This stuff is good. Even these bigger bits are probably still good. Yeah, all this is still dry, will burn well. I might actually have to come back for those parts. They look like good burnings. I'm sure we'll find more spots like this along the way. The sun's just starting to break through the forest canopy, so we're gonna be able to get some rays on our body. Oh yeah, it's good. It's actually meant to be quite a nice day. It's not meant to rain at all, and it's meant to be sunny with barely any clouds, and man, so far so good. Bit of a tight squeeze. That's quite impressive. I'm kind of liking this spot here. It's close enough to all the man ferns, be able to have a fire just anywhere. I'm liking here, I'm liking what we're cooking here. I think this might be the spot. I'm gonna put all my stuff down and I'm gonna keep walking just on foot and see what else we can find. Maybe there'll be a better spot, we'll see. I just came across this spot here and I'm actually liking this area a bit more. Still heaps of dead man ferns around, There's more sticks and branches that have been caught in the air, so they're going to be a bit more dry. A lot more down trees that can provide dry underneath areas for more dead wood. It's not bad, not bad. Might have to go get the stuff and bring it all here. Oh. Alright, so we're just going to leave all our stuff here. We're going to take our drone out to Robbies Falls. Going to have a bit of a mission out there. Come back and set up our tent. So, I'll see you all at the falls. It's been a while since I've been here, and I didn't realise that we're only about 45 seconds away. So our camping spot is literally 50 metres down the track. Kind of like a layered waterfall. I can count 1, 2, 3 parts where it drops down. So it's like a mini staircase. We're gonna go the fun way. Oh! 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 Fuck! About to say, we're gonna go the fun way over the rock bank. Oh! But it's a bit slippery. Let's go the old-fashioned way, the trail. Whew. That was a bit scary. Whew. Anyway, we're alive. I have to say, this is one of the most beautiful spots I've been to in the southwestern rainforest. Whew. I find it real special how the rock formation creates a bowl shape. Kind of closes it all into one little secret hidden utopia. Real special. You can definitely swim here. I've done it once before. Jesus, the water was cold as balls. It was stabbingly painful. I couldn't stay in for too long. That's a big tree! Dang! I'm a bit scared to bash it into like just a stick that maybe the sensor won't pick up. Nothing's really a bubba. Oh, so the drone's just there. So it is on low speed, okay. There we are. All right, we're gonna head back, get firewood, set up our tent, get our chair out and take it easy after that one. Now I've chosen a spot again where I can't pin down the middle part. I seem to do that a fair bit, so it's kind of just flapping there. We're not forecast to have any rain, but if we do, it's going to be a bit ugly. I think I need to improve on my tent setup locations. We'll get there on the next one. Oh man. Oh. I went to go get those two big dry bits that we saw before. Man, I thought they were a lot closer. Far, I'm knackered. Probably did. Far, I don't even know. I'm exhausted. Now, I had the feeling I was going to struggle to find dry firewood out here, so I brought some little dry kindling bits just from home to help me get the fire going, and then hopefully that will be enough to dry out some wood and everything. I've got those two big dry bits, but I don't know. We'll see how we go. Oh, I'm super glad I found those two bigger pieces of dried wood. I think they're going to be a lifesaver tonight. They'll burn and I'll be able to dry all my stuff out. Oh, sh**. Yeah, this fire seems to be a bit of a struggle. Pretty damn good though, like we've got a nice fire, but the wood is just still a bit damp. Ooh. And it's just not catching so good. It would have been nice if I had one more like decent sized dry bit that I could fit in this little gap around the side to get her cranking, but I still think we'll be able to manage to get her cranking. All right. Oh. So I ran down to that big down tree. As I remember, there was a bunch of dried, crumbly stuff there. We picked a bunch up, couple handfuls, ran back here, and I think that's going to be our lifesaver. So I think it's starting to crank up a bit now, thank goodness. I would have been really, really upset if I didn't get a fire going. Yeah, nice, look at that, that's real dry. Oh, I'm knackered and I'm filthy. Whew. I actually got to take my jumper off. This week certainly wasn't the day to go get a haircut. My ears and neck are freezing. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, we are cooking with gas now, or cooking with firewood. Alright, let's go get some water from the river and boil up a tea. I'm getting hungry as well. Might have to cook ourselves some lunch. Oh. Yeah, this one's been a bit stressful off the bat. Nearly crashing the drone once again, the second time. Fire not wanting to play by the rules and making me work for her pretty difficultly like, but man, she's going now and I'm gonna make sure she's not gonna go out. This tea is well needed. Oh. Now we're living a bit of the high life tonight. We've got a nice juicy steak here for lunch. A couple of eggs to go with it, a bit of Italian seasoning and salt. Fuck, in for a treat. Some oil in the mustard can in there. Good enough, bit of ash in there, it's not gonna hurt. She's looking good. thinking these just slide off. I could have just probably done that from the beginning. Oh, nice. Bit blue in the middle. It was still frozen, so not too bad though. I've burnt the outside to holy hell, but who cares? Oh, I'm so hungry. Well, I'm gonna heat up the second tea so we can go have it by the waterfall. And while that's going, I'm gonna go clean up our dishes in the sink. Dishes in the sink, the dishes in the river. Steady. Steady. Oh, yes! Haha! We made it! Gonna have to come back camping here in the summertime. So we can go for a bit of a swim. Maybe a bit of a skinny dip. About the end of that, eh? Right, we're gonna go get that last big bit of super dry wood that we found under that massive stump. So let's rush and grab that. Lord, somehow I managed to go past it. Wound back up at the first one we went to get those 2 dry bits. Must be in shambles. Man, it was just here. Yoink! Any creepy crawlies on here? Can't see any creepy crawlies on there. Oh man, just imploded. Oh boy, oh boy. I'm exhaustipated from going back and forward down that track to grab that dry firewood. I had to do it like 3 times now. I don't even know. I just saw a bloody leech on my pants. Can't really see anymore. The one I found was just here, right on my leg there, trying to suck at my knee. I'm getting dripped on heaps now. We actually need to just go fill up our water bottle quickly, running low. Super cold. Now I've been a little bit naughty. Normally I would bring my book, The Horus Heresy, but today, so we're gonna watch some One Piece. When the log gets heated up, all the moisture and water turns this foamy, bubbly stuff, and it all seeps out at the ends. And that's the heat kind of pushes it to both ends from the middle, and that's what you get. I just touched it, it's quite cold. Bubbles out like some ooze. Alright, well, I think it's time to get dinner underway. So I'm gonna go grab that steak and gonna start cooking with a fair bit of ash. I'm gonna put the lid on top to steam it a bit. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Big fade. Big fade. Ugh. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna chill by the fire for a while. I know I'm gonna chill by the fire for a while. Drink my cup of tea, watch the fire die down, and then I'm gonna pack it into bed quite shortly after that. So I'll catch you all in the morning for our hike back to the road where we're gonna be getting picked up by the old man. So, we'll see you then. Sleep well, take it easy. I can't open my eyes with the light like that. Good morning. I think it's about time we jump up, put our clothes on and start packing up. I think it's still going to be pretty dark outside, but we'll be able to do it. Yep, still pitch dark. Wow. Having these man ferns underneath the tent really did help out. Gave it a lot more padding, made the sleep a lot more cozy. Yeah, it's not the comfiest sleep on those air mattresses, but we probably got a good 5 hours sleep. And it's so wet inside. I'm not sure how good the visuals are going to be on the walk because it's still dark, so I don't know, we'll have to see that. A little bit of light coming through this clearing part here. Well folks, I hope y'all liked that video, and if you did, be sure to check out some other videos on the channel of bushwalking or even cooking videos and general adventuring. So, you all stay safe now, take it easy, I'll see you when I'm looking at you. Adios.